Greetings, humans. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is the best MIDI keyboard for a small desk. That is the Akai Professional MK3 Mini MK3 25 key USB MIDI. Check this one out. Link in the description. Make sure you click on that link and add this to your cart ASAP so I can get some credit for the sale. And just kind of talk about why this is the best for that type of situation, a smaller desk. Like, if you ever played like one of those like video games where like a survival game or something, maybe even like a Fortnite where like you only have so many item slots, like this is the type of item that opens up more item slots. Like, I don't know if you ever played Fortnite, but like some items take up like 2 item slots, and while they're good, it like taking up 2 to 3 item slots kind of like, really cripples your overall like, inventory or whatever. Other survival games I know are like that. Like some items are super heavy or something like that. This is like almost the same situation. Like this this MIDI, it's small. It's a 25 key. It is like probably the most popular MIDI. It's a great MIDI, but you won't be able to play. I don't think you'll be able to play necessarily as well or as fluidly if you're like a normal piano player, especially. Although I still like I used this for 2 years and I was able to still play great melodies with it. I just prefer a larger one because it feels I think you can play better. I think you do play better with a slightly larger one, maybe a 49 key. That's the one I use. But I don't think the drop off is as much as people would think, is what I'm saying. Like, you can still play amazing melodies with a 25 key. But what I'm saying is, with the size of the MIDI, it allows you to do more things. Like, I can now, say if I had a 25, I can now easily fit, say, a mic. I could easily fit, especially if I have a smaller desk, I could easily fit a mouse. Like, my desk isn't huge. It's like about as big as what you see here. Like, it's not super big. I don't have like a, I don't have like a massive desk. Okay. It's decent sized, but I can fit a 49 pretty comfortably. But I'm like a more of a melody first guy at all. So, anyways, the what I'm saying is this is the best 25 or this is the best MIDI for a small desk. Why? Because it's like the smallest MIDI. If you have a small desk, you don't want a big MIDI because it's not going to fit right. And it's going to make everything else feel weird and clunky. Like, there's nothing worse than a MIDI making everything just feel super uncomfortable. Like, you can't use your mouse, you can't use your mic, you can't use whatever else you're trying to use. Like, a MIDI a MIDI can take up a lot of space, and I think the MIDI is the most space consuming like music production item, you know. And there's another reason I recommend this one is because of the drum pad. I'm a big fan of drum pads. I just think that even if you're new starting off or whatever, I just think that having a drum pad, you're gonna want to have a drum pad. I only make drums with the drum pad, and I didn't used to always do that. For many years, I did not use a drum pad, but once I started to use it and I understood the benefits of it, um, like I never went back. So I know this drum pad is good. The one I have too is good, and I'll share that one, this MIDI that I actually use, in a second. But the if you have a small desk, you're gonna want a small MIDI. You're gonna want like a 25 key, and you're gonna want to especially if you're new, 25 key, and you're gonna be happy with that result because that's about as small as it gets with still being able to actually play something. So that's my take on the best MIDI for a small desk. It's also probably the best travel MIDI. Same answer. I might have a different video for that, but yeah. And let me just yeah. Let's just actually Forget the one that I have right now. Let's just focus on this. I don't want to confuse people here. This is the best one for a small desk. Keep the size in mind. It has everything you want, though. In many ways, it's perfect. Peace out. Click the link in the description.